At Tata Motors, we make mobility solutions that deliver on the evolving aspirations of the growing Indian market. We are proud to be leading India's story of high ambitions and bold pursuits. We are committed to your progress. We are committed to your success. With a relentless drive to always do better for our customers through innovative products and services, we are confident that आप कमाल कर दिखाएंगे. With this launch, Tata Motors will become the first OEM to offer the most comprehensive portfolio of pickups. These are Yodha 2.0, the Yodha with independent front suspension, the Yodha crew cab, and INTRA V50, INTRA V30, INTRA V20, and finally INTRA V10. Our widest range will offer unparalleled application fit for our customers for their varied work needs. The new generation pickups have been designed and built to ensure customer profitability and convenience. The new additions are the Yodha 2.0, which is the first in the category built to cater to heavy bulky cargo from the farm to mandis with off-roading capability. The INTRA V50 is the most versatile offering, an ideal pickup for multiple applications. It comes with the largest load body and fastest turnaround time in its segment to suit both short and long hauls. The INTRA V20 will be the first bi-fuel pickup in its segment. It will strengthen our portfolio of greener vehicles and allow our customers to leverage the efficiency and profitability of CNG. The bi-fuel option offers flexibility of refueling anywhere and ensures uninterrupted operations. Carefully developed keeping in mind the customer's needs and pain points. I am confident that our range will empower you, enable you, and equip you to move towards your aspirations. I invite you to experience the widest range of Tata Motors pickups.